Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the exciting world of passive income. If you're looking for ways to generate extra income while you sleep, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through 10 passive income ideas that are perfect for beginners. We have included some helpful links in the description below to help you get started. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and colleagues. So, get your notepads ready, sit back, and let's get started. By the end of this video, we guarantee that you will have a much better understanding of how to generate passive income. Are you interested in discovering the realm of passive income? If yes, then you'll be happy to know that the online world provides ample opportunities to earn passive income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're seeking to bolster your existing income or kickstart a new entrepreneurial venture, there are numerous online options out there that are perfect for beginners. From dropshipping to digital products, these top 10 online passive income ideas offer a great starting point for anyone looking to get started on this journey. 1. Dropshipping store. Dropshipping has revolutionized the way businesses operate online. It allows entrepreneurs to run an online store without the burden of managing inventory or shipping logistics. In simple terms, dropshipping involves acting as an intermediary between customers and suppliers, marketing and selling products while leaving the inventory management and shipping to third-party suppliers. For instance, let's look at Sarah, who started her own dropshipping business selling eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. Sarah's success story is a testament to the viability of dropshipping as a business model. She began by conducting market research to identify trending products with high demand. By partnering with reliable suppliers, she was able to offer a wide range of products to her customers without having to worry about inventory. One of the most significant advantages of dropshipping is the flexibility it offers. Since the business is entirely online, entrepreneurs can work from anywhere and anytime, making it an attractive option for those seeking a work-life balance. Sarah has been able to scale her business and provide excellent customer service while enjoying the freedom to work remotely. In conclusion, dropshipping has opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to run an online store without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping logistics. By partnering with reliable suppliers and conducting market research, entrepreneurs can start and scale their businesses while enjoying the benefits of remote work. 2. Create digital products. If you have a particular area of expertise or a passion for a specific subject, you can leverage it to create digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or digital art. By doing so, you can earn passive income through repeated sales. For instance, let's consider James, a graphic designer who turned his love for typography into a series of digital art prints. James effectively marketed his creations through social media and other channels, and soon enough, he started earning a considerable amount of profit from his hobby. Platforms such as Teachable and Gumroad allow you to easily distribute your digital products, making it easier to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Whether you're a writer, artist, or a skilled professional in any field, creating and selling digital products is an excellent way to monetize your skills and knowledge while earning passive income. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an excellent way to diversify your investment portfolio and earn interest on your money. By participating in peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can lend money to individuals or businesses online and help them achieve their financial goals. Emily, who has been investing in peer-to-peer lending for quite some time, suggests starting small and spreading your investments across various borrowers to minimize risk. Thorough research of the available platforms and understanding the lending process are crucial to generating passive income while empowering borrowers in need. As a lender, you can select the borrowers you would like to lend money to and earn interest on the amount lent. Peer-to-peer lending is a great way to earn passive income and help others at the same time. 4. High-yield savings accounts. If you're looking to maximize the earning potential of your savings, consider opting for high-yield savings accounts. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, which means your money can work harder for you over time. To make the most of high-yield savings accounts, it's important to do your research and compare different account options. Take a cue from Michael, who diligently reads the fine print to understand the terms and conditions of each account. By prioritizing safety and liquidity, Michael ensures that his passive income remains steady and secure. When comparing high-yield savings accounts, pay attention to factors such as minimum balance requirements, fees, and any limitations on withdrawals or deposits. Keep in mind that while high-yield savings accounts can offer attractive interest rates, they may not be the best option for everyone. Consider your personal financial goals and needs before deciding whether a high-yield savings account is right for you. 5. YouTube channel. Are you looking to explore your creative side and share your interests with the world? Starting a YouTube channel might be just the thing for you. With its massive reach and diverse audience, YouTube is the perfect platform to showcase your passion and build a community around it. Take Rachel, for example. She started a cooking channel on YouTube and has since gained a loyal following by consistently uploading high-quality content. Rachel has also optimized her videos for search engines and created engaging content, which has helped her channel grow even more. Thanks to ad revenue and sponsorships, Rachel has turned her love for cooking into a lucrative source of passive income. Starting a YouTube channel may seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and dedication, anyone can do it. Whether you're into beauty tutorials, gaming walkthroughs, or any other niche, there's an audience out there waiting to discover your content. So why not take the leap and start your own YouTube channel today? 6. Affiliate marketing. One way to monetize your online presence is by becoming an affiliate marketer. Essentially, this means promoting products online through special affiliate links and earning a commission on any sales that are generated through your referrals. To give you an idea of how to do this effectively, take the example of Tom. He is a successful affiliate marketer who focuses on building trust and credibility with his audience by being transparent about his affiliate relationships. When he recommends products, he does so only for products he genuinely believes in and has tried himself. By providing value to his audience, Tom has established a loyal following that trusts his recommendations. This has opened up passive income opportunities for him as he continues to promote products that his audience finds valuable. If you're considering becoming an affiliate marketer, remember that it's important to always prioritize your audience's needs and interests. By staying true to this principle, you can build a sustainable and profitable affiliate marketing business. 7. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Real estate investing can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and generate passive income. However, property management can be a hassle, particularly if you don't have the expertise or time to handle it. One option is to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own income-generating properties, such as apartment buildings, office complexes, and shopping centers. By investing in REITs, you can earn dividends as a shareholder without having to handle the complexities of property management. It's important to note that investing in REITs is not without risks. Different REITs may specialize in different types of properties, such as commercial or residential, and may have different strategies for generating income. Before investing, it's important to do your research and understand the associated risks. David, for example, diversifies his investment portfolio by researching different REITs and understanding their strategies and risks. By staying informed and proactive, he earns passive income from his REIT investments while letting the experts handle the complexities of real estate management. 8. Sell designs online. The digital world has opened up exciting opportunities for creative professionals to monetize their talents. One such avenue is selling digital designs online. Platforms like 99 Designs and Creative Market offer a vast marketplace for designers to showcase their work and connect with potential buyers. Let's take the example of Lisa, a talented graphic designer who has successfully established herself in the online marketplace. She has built a strong portfolio of unique and high-quality designs, which she showcases on her website and social media channels. Lisa actively promotes her work through social media campaigns and engages with her audience to build a loyal following. To succeed in the online marketplace, Lisa has taken the time to understand licensing agreements and deliver exceptional designs that meet the needs of her clients. She has built a reputation for herself as a reliable and creative designer, which has helped her attract new clients and earn passive income through her designs. Overall, selling designs online is a great way for creative professionals to indulge their artistic passions while earning a steady income. With the right skills, knowledge, and marketing strategies, anyone can create a successful career in the digital marketplace. 9. Create a niche website. One of the ways to establish your online presence is by creating a niche website that caters to a specific topic or industry. The idea is to provide valuable content to a particular audience interested in that particular subject area. This can be anything from gardening tips to pet care advice, depending on your interests and expertise. For instance, consider the example of Mark, who has successfully monetized his passion for photography through his niche website. Mark's website offers comprehensive camera reviews and photography tutorials to his audience. He has optimized his content for search engines, which helps his website rank higher in search results and attract more traffic. Mark also engages with his audience through forums and comments, which helps him build a loyal fan base. In turn, this has not only helped him increase his website's traffic but also transformed his hobby into a profitable passive income stream. In summary, creating a niche website can be a great way to share your knowledge and passion with like-minded individuals while also earning a passive income. 10. Rent out your parking space. One of the most effective ways to make some extra cash is by taking advantage of unused resources that you already have. Renting out your parking space is a great example of such an opportunity. You can easily monetize your unused parking space by listing it on online platforms such as Spot Hero or Just Park. Whether you live in a bustling city or a suburban neighborhood, there is always someone in need of a convenient parking spot. One example of someone who has successfully utilized this strategy is Jessica. Jessica supplements her income by renting out her driveway to commuters during business hours. This allows her to earn passive income with minimal effort and investment. By ensuring safety measures are in place and setting competitive pricing, Jessica has created a steady stream of income that has helped her achieve her financial goals. If you have an unused parking space, you too can take advantage of this opportunity. Simply list your space on a reputable online platform, set a competitive price, and ensure that safety measures are in place. With a little effort and some smart planning, you can create a steady stream of passive income that can help you achieve your financial goals. Finally, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on all things digital. We will be back with more insightful and interesting videos, so stay tuned. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology.